Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in the edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, June 13th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, Sudoku with 1 star, the Sudoku with 4 stars. Two puzzles are left, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. Yes, you are interested in the binary. It's binary time. This one will be number, apologies, 658888. All right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one is 15 printed digits. Yeah, 15. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Well. Let me drink something. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, and then we have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. So that box should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 1s we have here in the first column, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 3 minutes. Well. Solve it again without comparing. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 4th and last puzzle for today. Tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.